We're up here under Pikes Peak, about 10,300 feet. Pikes Peak is another 4,000 feet vertical. You can actually see the little building on top of Pikes Peak. Over here, that line there is cog rail that goes up to Pikes Peak. We've hiked about 3 miles to get here, and we decided to come up to the top of this little mound. Down there is a meadow, a drainage, and that was Jerry I just showed you a minute ago. So we're up here in the cluster of rocks to get out of the wind. We'll go back up this drainage about a mile. That's another 1.5 miles, I guess, probably down to Jerry's house. That's Cameron's Cone. We hike up around there quite often. This is our weekly hike. There are the mountains, and back to Pikes Peak, and another drainage. Beautiful area.